You know, back in the day, cars weren't just about speed or flash, they were about presence. When a car pulled up, you felt the weight of it, the dignity. That's what the 2026 Toyota Century brings back. When you see it for the first time, you'll notice how understated it looks. No wild lines, no oversized spoilers, no screaming colors. Instead, it's a shape that carries itself with quiet grace. The design is bold but calm, elegant yet strong. It's the kind of car that doesn't chase trends because it knows it's already timeless. Think of it as that old friend who never raises his voice, but somehow everyone listens when he speaks. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world that feels less like an automobile and more like a private lounge. The leather is soft, supple, and stitched with care. The wood trim isn't just there for decoration. It's polished like fine furniture, the sort you'd find in a gentleman's study. Every button, every control feels deliberate, not thrown in just to impress. And then there's the silence, thick, rich silence that makes the world outside feel far away. It's a space to breathe, to think, to travel in peace. But don't mistake that quiet for weakness. Under the hood lies a powerful hybrid V8 engine. It doesn't roar or growl. Instead, it whispers strength, the kind of power that doesn't need to show off. On the open road, it glides effortlessly, with a smoothness that feels almost unreal. In the city, it moves with grace, never disturbing, never fussing, just doing its job with quiet perfection. This is not a car you drive to prove a point. This is a car you drive when you've already proven everything. What makes the Century special isn't just the luxury or the performance, it's the philosophy behind it. In Japan, this car has always been reserved for leaders, people who carry responsibility with dignity. Owning one isn't about status or wealth. It's about respect for yourself and for those around you. And that's exactly what the 2026 Century represents. A reminder that true class doesn't need to shout. Every generation of the Century has carried the same soul, and this one is no different. It's modern, yes, with advanced technology hidden beneath the surface, ready to make your journey smoother. But it never lets the gadgets take center stage. The experience is always about you, the passenger, the driver, the gentleman behind the wheel. The 2026 Toyota Century is not a car for everyone, and it was never meant to be. It's for the man who values grace over noise, substance over show, and legacy over trends. It's a car that doesn't just take you places, it carries your story with it.